smartphone has many advantages. Among them is the ability to watch all kinds of audiovisual content, from videos stored in the memory of our smartphone to watch series and movies in streaming services, also through television. Yes, you can watch TV on your cell phone live without a tuner. Digital terrestrial television, not only available for televisions with the latest technology or adapters that decode your signal, is now also available at your fingertips on your Android device. TDT Channels is one of the best applications that currently offer this service for free. It is true that there are many options and alternatives to view and enjoy audiovisual content. The difference with this service is that it is a legal application, free and without ads. When you open it, you can see all the DTT channels. Choose one and you will have several options to view it. In addition to DTT, the application also offers the same service for listening to radio, a very useful and practical service. TV Colombia is an application that brings together the main national channels, which allows you to watch them at any time. It has a simple and very easy to use interface. World TV has the most watched and popular channels from all over the world in a single application. Its content also finds movies and magazines, thus classifying the channels according to your tastes and preferences. Colombia TV Guide is a complementary alternative that allows you to know the programming of your favorite channels in Colombia, automatically updating the programs and allowing the activation of notifications or alarms to remember the start of your favorite programs.